Good morning. We tented near the Windsor Furnace shelter last night. Just took advantage of the fact that there was a picnic table there. Now I'm heading for, you see the sign? Water. There's a creek nearby. I refilled my water last night and filtered it through my Sawyer Squeeze on top of my smart water bottle. But then I had some hot chocolate this morning. We're gonna start walking soon, so I'll just refill the water again before we leave. I think it got down to around 30 last night, which is not a problem when you're in your tent, in your sleeping bag. And it's only uncomfortable when you can get out and start moving around again, but you're only moving around a little. And I think by like 1 o'clock, it's going to be 50 degrees, so that'll be comfortable, especially since we'll be on the move. Seeing a lot of fire rings out here. So again, heading to the water supply to fill up the water bottle. This is my first time using my Sawyer Squeeze water filter because we're only on a 2-day venture right now. Another thing that I used for the first time was my bear bag. We hung the food. I think the rules are 12 feet off the ground and 6 feet out from the trunk of the tree. We were certainly 12 feet up, maybe 5 feet out from the trunk of the tree. And I think only 2 feet down from the branch. Anyway, the food was still there in the morning.